Hello everyone. I want to talk about how to draw a field circle using Google Earth or Google Earth Pro. Um, as you can see here, I'm showing an example. This circle is filled with red color and it's also transparent. Um, as you can see, its outline is also colored and it's green. And how did I draw this circle? I'm gonna show you another example. Okay, first let's go to a website called KML Circle Generator, and you're gonna type KML dash circle dash generator dot hero kuapp.com. Okay, so this is the website, and this website is built by Fu Chen. Thanks to this guy, and it's a great job. It's an awesome tool, and let's get started. Click on start, and as you can see, we can choose the circle center coordinate, latitude and longitude. For example, let's choose Chicago as our circle center. Where is Chicago? Chicago is here. Okay, let's choose Chicago and instead of 100 kilometers, we're gonna put another zero so that we can easily or clearly see it in Google Earth. Okay, so I'm gonna change it into 1,000 kilometers, and as you can see, you can also change the unit to miles a meter. Here we're gonna just use kilometers, km. Okay, and next click on customize circle style, and as you can see, here is our highlight. So gonna check this box field circle, and then you come to this field circle, choose the color you like. Okay, I'm gonna choose a green one, and as you can see, when you choose the color, and it automatically input a hex code or hex color code. So it's 6 digits with this symbol. Okay, and as you can see, you can also define a line weight and line color. We're gonna leave them as default. Okay, of course you can change them, but here we're gonna leave it as default. Click on generate, and now you just need to download click on this download or copy link, download the KML file. And as you can see, in the example I showed, I already downloaded a KML file. I'm gonna download the second one so that I can show you the Chicago example. So I rename it into circle 2. I'm gonna save it. Okay, save it, and then we go back to Google Earth, and because I'm gonna go to Chicago, go to Chicago, and you're gonna go to File, Open, and choose the circle2.kml, and click on Open. And as you can see, this circle, the circle center is at Chicago, and its radius is 1,000 kilometers. And how do we make it transparent? So here you go, and you go to the it's called places. Okay, so on the left column, and you go to my places, and temporary places. Under the temporary places folder, you can see there are two files, a folder called KML Circle. The first one is, if I double click on this one, it will go back to the example I showed at the beginning. And this one, the second one, KML Circle, is the Chicago example I want to I'm showing you. Okay, so double click on it, double click on this KML Circle. Google Earth or Google Earth Pro will automatically bring you there to its location. And I'm gonna choose it and right click on it. You can see there is a menu, and choose the properties. Click on the properties, and you go to style and color tab. And as you can see, there are lines. You can define the color width and opacity for the lines. These lines for the outlines. Okay, and you can also define the color as opacity for the area. So why it's transparent, I'm gonna change this 100 into 50%, so that it becomes transparent. Of course, you can make it even more transparent. 20% is barely, you can barely see it. So gonna go back, change it back into 50. Okay, so now I choose for this color, I choose field and outline. That means you can change the field color here, and you can also change the color for the outline here for the lines. Okay, so if I just choose field, that means this line tab does not work anymore because it's defined the outline, and I just abandoned the outline. I just leave the field area for a circle. Okay, and if I only leave the outline, so the area's color is not working anymore because I just leave the outline. So I'm gonna keep the field and outline together so that I can define both outline and the area. So I'm gonna change my area color into blue, and I'll keep that transparency or opacity. Okay, and I'm going to change the outline into a green, and I'm gonna make it bolder. Okay, how about 10? So the largest number is 100. You can see 100. Okay, and you can also change its opacity here. Let's see, we also change it into 80%. Okay, 80%. So now it's a little bit transparency, as you can see. And now we can OK. As you can see, we made a transparent circle. Of course, it's not very beautiful. Let's make it. How about it? We just keep the field, and we change the color into orange. Now, as you can see. Okay, here. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel or give me a thumb up. Thank you, and see you next time.